Today I'm going to show you this Imaginext tornado prop airplane. Let's check out this cool figure it comes with. He's orange and blue, yellow, he has the number 5 on his chest. His outfit actually matches the plane. And he also has these really cool shades or sunglasses on. Then he comes with an oxygen mask, which he'll need when he's flying high in the sky. Alright, let's put him inside the airplane. That way he can fly it. Now let's check out the airplane. Has the same color as that figure we just looked at. And here's the propellers on the front of the plane. You can just push them with your fingers, or else push this in on the side. That'll make them go out also. Now let's look at the top of the plane. Tips of the wings can move up and down. And this opens. Close that to keep the fighter pilot safe. And you have the engine right in here. Wings on the back. And on the bottom of the plane you have landing gear. Open that up. Just like that. That way it can land, and the wheels do roll on the bottom. And put those back up. Then also you have this hook. And I'll show you how that's used in just a little bit. By pushing this button down, this opens up also, and it'll send a safety raft out.
Help me, I've been stuck in the ocean for days now. I can't swim any longer. Oh, thank you. Thanks for saving me.
Not a problem, that's my job.
This video's not over yet because it's story time. I'll see you soon.
I think this propeller should be fixed now. This is a nice plane you have.
Thanks, but this is a restricted area. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Well, I always wanted a plane just like this. Mind if I take yours?
Not a chance, pal. Now get out of here.
With this magic wand, I'll turn this plane into mine. Abracadabra. Haha, my very own Joker plane. I'll use this to destroy the Batman. I think I'll use this oxygen mask.
What have you done with my plane? Come back here. Finally a day without having to deal with the Joker.
Yeah, wait a second. I won't be so sure about that. Look in the sky.
Quickly, take cover. I'll go in here, you go in the Batwing.
How dare you destroy my new plane? I'm out of here.
Where did Joker get that new plane anyway? I'm not sure, but something doesn't seem right.
Oh, man, I'm tired.
What are you doing here?
The Joker used this wand to turn my plane into the Joker plane. And I used the GPS on the plane to track it down.
The Joker's using his magical wand again. This isn't good.
Yeah, but that's okay because I have it now. I think all he said was abracadabra? Haha, there it is. Tornado prop is back. Hey, do you guys mind if I keep this magical wand? It's pretty cool.
Not a chance. Hand it over now.
Alright. There you go. Alright fellas, at least I got my plane back. Have a good one.